This video is on cleaning the sticky climate control knobs in a 2011 Land Rover Discovery 4. You can see that after some time these dials on the outside can get really gross and start getting very sticky and picking up dirt. So what you need to do is get a butter knife or just use a bit of force to pry off the dial. So just get under the edge there with a butter knife, and there's just a little pop. Just twist the knife and then give it a bit of a pull, and there you have it. So you can see it's just got 3 little clips that hold the dial in place. So just using the butter knife, pry it at the edge, and then the next step is we're going to clean this goo off, and hopefully it'll come up good as new. So I've been heated these up with hot water, and you can see that this does come off pretty well once they've heated up this gunk. If you've got something which is a bit of a solvent, I just found this drain blocker and put that on the cloth. It does tend to dissolve the gunk off the knobs a bit quicker. You could try something else like methylated spirits. Just hot water will work, but this certainly does a faster job of dissolving all that grot off the dial knobs. It really gets it off quite quickly. Okay, so I've finished cleaning up all 3 knobs. All the goo has gone off the outside of them now. So as mentioned, you can just use hot water, nice hot water, but it is a bit quicker if you use, in my case, plug hole unblocker or some mineral terps. Just helps it clean a bit quicker, but you'll do just fine if you just use hot water. So now I've got our 3 knobs. We'll just dry those up, and then we're going to click them back in the car. Okay, we're back in the car, and we've given these knobs a good clean up so they look as good as new. It's a good opportunity actually while you've got the knobs off, just to grab a toothbrush and just clean the grit out that can accumulate around the knobs. Now on the knobs themselves, there's 3 locator bars on one side which is not on the other side. So what you need to do is have a look in there. You can see one there at the top, and then another one just on the left, and then the third one is underneath here. So we want to align those 3 pin locators which are on this side. So there was one near the top, and just give it a little swivel and that clicks straight back in place. So there you go, we've replaced all 3. Nice and clean, no more stickiness. And that control face is normally what you have to do is buy that whole thing new just to replace these, which is absurd, because that will cost you about $500 or $600 and take you hours, as you have to pull apart all of the dash to get this open. This way, in about 10 or 15 minutes, you can have the knobs off, cleaned, back on, and as good as new.